Well, guys, this is not the way you'd want to start a normal video for the Michigan Mud Jam going on with Ron Heel, but yeah, we're currently stuck right now in Cloud 9. We're out here at 222 off-road, and Mark was kind enough to at least do me some digging out here, but this thing weighs like 40,000 pounds, and when I went to back up to the trailer, I pulled forward and she sunk right in. So I was hit pretty good here. Hopefully Mark's got it good enough to we can just get right out of here, no problem at all. Thank you very much. And I
wasn't even here.
Yeah, you weren't even here. That's what happened. You were gone for 2 minutes, and this is what happens. But let's see what we can do. Let's see if it actually works out here. Mark, you want to get in the truck? You want to drive the Cloud 9?
Sure.
Okay. You have to put it in gear, and I'll give you the guys the heads up.
Basically, let off the brake, right? You don't want me to spin.
No, don't spin, but just give it a little bit, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna open the window. You tell me.
Okay. All right, let's hit it. Hold on, you ready? He's ready in there. Let's go. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Yeah, baby. Cummins power. Woo! Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let her down. Hey, let her down. Oh, Jesus Christ. We're good. Oh. Wow. Shouts out to that driveline on that truck. Holy crap, man.
Do you realize who you put in the driver's seat?
I did, but he told me, I said, take it easy. And he's like, oh, I got this, no problem.
You said, go, go, go. I thought you were me, buddy. I thought you said go, go.
Yeah, you're good on your own. Just put it in neutral, put it in the park brake. Okay. You'll be good. All right, well, damage report. Looks like 0 so far. Thank God he didn't throw stones through my windshield.
I was thinking that, dude. I was trying extra hard not to. I was keeping them low.
Yeah, Cloud 9 is out, and we'll be good to go, and we'll be seeing you shortly here at Michigan Mud Jam. Woo! All right, guys, we're out here at Michigan Mud Jam. Got Mud Dog here.
What's up?
Seeing him. What's going on, buddy? And we're up here with Jesse. Jesse, what's about to happen?
Dude, this is what's going down. We're at Michigan Mud Jam. This is the 1-ton Chicago-style race. We also introduced some mega trucks into this, too. A Chicago race, guys, is an arena-style race. It's like a Monster Jam-style race. It's going to be head-to-head, but one truck on one side of the track, one truck on the other. We're going to come around, do a few loops. Winner,
awesome.
Yeah.
Just like a chase race I did in the last video.
It's a chase race,
Yep.
exactly what it is. Yes,
exactly.
sir.
Awesome.
So it's going to be badass time, man. You guys tune in. It's going to be great.
Woohoo! Well, guys, yeah, you heard it from the man himself. Everybody's all out here lined up, ready to get their shine on. Look at these trucks, too. Like, some of these are like rear engines, lower units. Just super badass stuff. So we're waiting for a good time, and we'll get back to you shortly. Let's go!
That old girl, this is going to be a badass race.
And some old square body. I'm going with the square body, the red one here. Just because it looks rowdy. Oh, he's got a lot more. Woo. That's tight corner, I like it. Oh, boy, he's got him so far. He's got him so far.
He's coming.
Oh, too far. Come on, square body. Come on. Oh, damn. Put the power down there.
Nose, ladies and gentlemen. He come into that corner hot.
That thing's got one motor in it.
That's how racing goes. You can have all the horses, but if you run out of talent, it can catch up quick.
How quick could it catch up to you, Jesse?
Quick, baby.
Like he could be on his lid?
Like on his lid.
Wow. What do we got here now? CFG.
All
and another
here's our
square
buddy
body.
CFG coming out.
All right, here we go. Oh, late helicopter, square body. It's gonna come around good though. Right now, way too far, boy. Way too far.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was some good head-to-head racing right there, baby.
That was great.
That was some good racing.
All right, guys, I just wanted to give a shout out. I put over the radio that I was looking for an alcoholic beverage, and guy right in the very top corner right there threw one out at me, so I ran down and got it. Now let's get back to some racing. Jesse, who we got up here? Talk to me. Who we got? Well, whatever they are. That thing looks like it's a little top heavy.
Got one gut to the beat. Hitting it. Head to head.
Oh, man,
Everybody's
getting around the corner.
Who's
He
it
can't
gonna
turn.
be?
He gets way too wide. Wagon's gonna take it.
Wow, that was a good one, folks. That was a good
You might
one.
want to check out your smoke system. She's a little smoky. Look at that thing, boys. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, this Jeep don't run that bad either, though. Holy shit.
Angry, baby.
Holy. Well, he's gonna miss it.
Wowzers.
Wowza. That was rowdy.
Oh, Rick rolling this time. Holy shit.
There. And the LFG, you know what that means? It's going wild.
All right, that one goes to zero fucks given. ZFG.
LFG. He's got her, buddy. All right, up next we got square body anger management and free square body. What do you call them things, guys? I don't even know. What do you call them things?
Like a C10, I guess.
Oh, yeah, you got all the smoke. Keep her in there nice and tight so people can get it. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. You got it. Oh yeah, anger management took that one, boys. All right, guys, we got a new contest going on here. I got the spotlight in my hand. It's probably not a good idea, but you know, the fans, they'll get used to it. Let's see if we can get a wave going on. These guys took off before I even had a chance to get going. That's how fast racing is all racing. Oh, he's blowing some smoke. That ain't good. I think Woodchick took that one though. That thing runs really good. All right, guys. Sorry it's getting dark, but we gotta keep the action rolling here. My last video did just fine with it in the dark, but these mud trucks are freaking full sending it. And the people that are standing right over there, they're getting peppered and they ain't moved yet.
Sorry.
One guy had an umbrella out earlier because he was worried. Oh my God, this guy's beautiful corner. Look at it.
Wow, ladies and
Who
gentlemen.
got that one? Who won?
I think so.
Who won?
I think that was wide open, ladies and gentlemen.
Are you kidding me? Oh my
That
God.
one was
Beautiful
wow, was that
driving.
close. That kid can drive, man. That was a good race, folks.
All right, here we go, guys. Nice old shot. He must have a cutter brake in that thing. I think he's got the wagon covered for sure. Oh yeah. Beautiful run. That's set up for this type of racing for sure.
That was awesome.
That was very good. All right, guys. Look at the brakes! Look at the brakes! They're on fire! Jesse, how did you let that little straight line unit in that race?
Bro, that straight line unit is out of control, man.
Why is he even out there though? That's like a cheat mod.
Yeah, it is, but you know what? This 1 ton fun. If you're 1 ton, you can come and race, baby.
Alright, I like it. I'll accept that.
Run what you brung, kind of.
Run what you brung in a
Listen,
1-ton class.
So this race, guys, just so everybody's aware, this is something we put on. It's mostly for fun. It's mostly for the audience. We don't put huge purse on this race per se. So run what you brung, put on a show. It's all for good fun, baby.
Hell yeah, I love it.
All right, straight jab.
Not the freaking driver though. Oh! He beat him to the line. He beat him to the freaking line. Oh my God! We all just got hit. Oh man, that straight line power, man. The cheater mod took that one.
Cheater mod got it.
Man, I don't know. I got peppered in mud though. Oh, the mud that has happened up here. How's your teeth?
We took a beating up here.
Well, how'd the crowd feel that one? They had to feel everything.
They liked it. They liked that. It's like Gallagher, the old comedian that smashed watermelons. It's the same thing.
All right, guys, this turbo Jeep has been doing rounds all night long. The last time he pulled up here and pulled a whole shot right off this line right here, he literally pulled a freaking wheelie half the track. It was freaking awesome. I'm going for that guy for the win. That's the turbo green Jeep. I don't know the name on it, but that thing is freaking rowdy, boy. But this square body is no slouch. He likes fucking it. Oh, this is gonna be a good one, boys. Oh, what happened? What did I miss? I screwed that one up. But did you see the square body or the C10 come in here? He has to have a cutter brake on that thing to hit that corner so tight. That's about the only way he can hit that corner as tight as he is. Good race, boys. Are going really fast.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to
guys.
step up and get the Megas flying. She's going to be a ripper and good
I
time. We're
missed
going to
that
see
one
the
because I was
elimination
literally
Megan,
on the mic
and we're
for
gonna smoke
for
them
Jesse
through.
here.
This race is
But
going to be
that
a
was
lot
some
shorter and a
freaking
lot
rowdy race.
faster,
Quick
folks.
tick,
So
put
just
her
hang
down.
tight while we get the
Literally
track
drove the
clear,
wheels
and
off
the
that
Megas
thing.
will be up
But if you want to see the
momentarily.
content,
And this is going to be one hell of a good time, guys.
you know where to go. Moto Dog, he got it all.
I'm gonna try and post it now.
He's gonna go and post it right now. So you'll see it. You probably already seen it by now because I'm late to the game.
All right, folks,
yeah,
I'll be right back.
good
I got to
job.
jump in the telehandler.
Oh, we gotta jump in the telehandler. I can do that job. I love that job. But that's gonna be a rowdy one. Hopefully you can get her fixed so we can keep going for the rest of the weekend. All right, guys, we got AJ in his brand new Super Duty build. Used to run the bottom out Jeep, but you know what we're talking about. Come on, AJ. Green light's about to light off. Alright guys, you just heard it. We're doing single elimination on this, but man, look at the tires on this. That thing's gotta be 60 inches tall. Come on. You're on the bing bings. Oh, hold on. Something's going on. Pedal addiction must have broke somewhere over there. He's gonna take the inside line. He's gonna win this one. What a gorgeous truck. We got better boy than Toy Boy out here with this one. Let's see if this guy can hang the front tires off the whole shot. I'd love to see that. This thing smells so good. I wish you could smell.
from my view, that looks like bottoms out, but
cannot
don't
stand
quote me
there.
on that. That was
All right, we got Daddy's money and better or something. It's got to be a lot more slippery than the other side. That's the second truck that you've seen spin around. So there it is, boys. Better blown is the winner of tonight's race. But if you're not here, you better get here now. Even though this video is not even going to come out until the end of the race, so it doesn't even matter. But what a heck of a time. Thanks for inviting me out here, guys. This has been a blast. I appreciate everything I've done. I was literally on the DJ mixer doing all the things. I was on the mic all night long. But yeah, tonight was a good time. Just the beginning of this whole thing. Want to appreciate everybody that's watching. I am now fully monetized. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Oh,
all right, guys, this is the end of the video, but this is Wood Tick, the truck you seen blow all the tires off the right side.
Oh yeah, good times for sure.
What were you thinking? What were you doing there?
Hoping to beat that guy, but unfortunately we came up a little short.
A little bit short.
Yep, so we'll come back next year and hopefully do it all over again and a little better turnout.
All right, good job.
Thank you, guys.
All right, guys, we're here with Better Blown. He just won the event. What'd you think of it?
It's a blast. Favorite event here, by far.
This is the favorite event?
Oh yeah.
Nobody rolled tonight. I don't know about all that stuff.
I tried not to. That's why it's so small.
I mean, this was definitely a rowdy unit. You got these tires cut down right to the freaking cords.
Yep.
It's doing awesome. Love it.
Thanks.
Great job racing tonight, buddy.
Thank you.
Yep. We'll see you out here tomorrow.
You never know.
You never know.
Going to have fun.